for me personally, the dream to be able to be my own boss and live life on my own terms is, for a long time now, it's been my burning motivation because since years ago, I just had this, the American way of life. Well, it's not, we have lived a good life here, but there's compromises to everything. You're giving up your personal freedom and the possibilities of what you can do with yourself and your life. The scope of that is amazing. And I want to have that. That's why I'm doing it.
Awesome. Very cool. And like, was there any specific, like maybe person in your life or even a celebrity or some figure, maybe one of the bloggers you mentioned before, that sort of like influenced you and you're like, I want to do something like that?
There was a lot of them. I don't know the guy's actual name. He didn't use his real name. The first one was a guy who was living in Asia, and he was working remotely in some kind of software field he never divulged. But he just had this amazing life. He could pick up and move where he wanted to go, and he didn't have to answer to anybody for the most part. But then as time went on, I've seen more and more people. Kyle Trouble was one of them. Now he owns a huge amount of affiliate sites, and he's doing really well, 6 figures a year. It's amazing to be able to live where you want to and write about it. But there's other people like in Johnny FT's Travel Like a Boss. They were just these, not all were, but a lot of Americans, and they were just average people who were doing the same kind of stuff in one way or that one genre of income online or another. And people like that really inspired me a lot. It's fascinating because they weren't born with some kind of special magic that made them be able to do this. It's somebody who actually said, this is what I want. I'm going to learn how to do it. I'm going to make the effort. If I fail, I won't give up. I'll just keep going until I figure it out.
Yep.
And that's pretty much the formula, You got to want it and go for it.
Totally. Yeah.
And you're a good example as well, Doug. You're living life the way you want to, so it's cool.